welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my best fidgets. So first off, we've got this bunny, like Neato. It's so good, so squishy and ginormous. I really like it. So it's really nice. And then we've also got these 4 stress balls that I love. Okay, I got them. We've got these unicorn Orbeez stress balls. They're mainly Orbeez stress balls. So yeah, they're really cool. Oh, isn't that just so nice? And dun, 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 dun. So yeah, those ones are really good ones. I also have this really good pop tube. I love pop tubes. One of my favorite fidgets. And yeah, I just really like it. I forgot to show you this. I also got my Nita, which I like. And just normal Nita. Just normal Nita. We've got my, oh my gosh, my Simple Dimple. It is amazing. We've got this cactus puppet that I love. And okay, now this is the best one. Octopus puppet! I love octopuses, and if you don't know, octopuses are just amazing. I love octopuses. Just so cute. I don't know, octopuses are my favorite animal. That's really all. I hope you liked this video. See you in another video. Bye!